Hi friends, this video shows how to fix the issue remote not working in safe mode. See, right now this device in safe mode. You can see safe mode label bottom left corner, but right now this remote is not working. So I will show you how to fix that. So first we have to press and hold this reset button over here on back side of this device. Let me press and hold this reset button. Press and hold. When you see this message, you can release the button searching for accessories. Then take your remote, then press and hold these two buttons, back button and home button. Press and hold these two buttons, back and home. See, done, paired. So let me test, see. So that way we can fix that issue. Just press and hold reset button. So when you see that message searching for accessories, at that point you have to press and hold these two buttons. That's all. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.